Hello, class. My name is Russell May, and I'm your teacher for this lesson. So, do you have any idea what culture and cultural identity are? So, let's study what culture and cultural identity together. Culture and cultural identity. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the pupils should be able to A. Define culture and cultural identity. B. Identify the concept and ideas about one's cultural identity. C. Create a simple visual representation of a cultural element. Before we start with our lesson, we will play a short game. Do you want to play a game? Okay, so in this game, you need to guess the word or concept represented by the picture by unscrambling the given jumbled letters. Let's begin. First, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is music. Second, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is visual arts. Third, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is Panagbenga Festival. Fourth, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is Tinikling. The last, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is street dance. So, good job, kids. Culture is the way of life of a group of people. It includes their costumes, beliefs, language, religion, food, art, music, and the way they speak and dress. It shows the shared characteristics of a community. Cultural identity is an important part of who we are. It helps us feel connected to other people. It gives us a sense of belonging to a group that share the same birthplace, traditions, practices, and beliefs. Filipinos celebrate colorful festivals with dancing, music, and Thanksgiving. So we have example of festivals. First, the Sinulog Festival is a cultural and religious celebration in Cebu City, Philippines, held every third Sunday of January to honor the Santo Niño Child Jesus. Second, Panagbenga is a flower festival celebrated every February which takes place in Baguio City, Philippines. Third, the Ate-Atehan Festival is a renowned annual Philippines festival held in Calibu, Aklan every January on the third Sunday to honor the Santo Niño Infant Jesus. Fourth, the Sinukuan Festival is a vibrant annual cultural celebration in Pampanga, Philippines, held typically in late November or December to honor Aring Sinukuan, the ancient Kapampangan deity. Last, the Pahiyas Festival is a vibrant annual harvest festival held on May 15 in Lokban, Quezon, Philippines, honoring San Isidro Labrador, the patron saint of farmers. These clothes show Filipino identity and tradition. First, Barong Tagalog, more commonly known simply as barong, is an embroidered long-sleeve formal shirt for men and a national dress of the Philippines. Second, Barot Saya, known as Filipiniana dress and symbol used by women in the Philippines. Food is an important part of Filipino gatherings and celebration. First, adobo. We have adobong baboy and adobong manok. Second, sinigang. Ito ay maasim ngunit masarap. Lechon. You have lechong baboy and lechong manok na kadalasang ito ay inahanda tuwing Pasko o birthday. Pansit. Ito ay kadalasang inihanda ng mga Pilipino tuwing may birthday. Halo-halo. Ito ay paboritong kainin ng mga Pilipino tuwing summer. Traditional music and dances are performed during events and festivals. Examples: first, tinikling, the national dance involving jumping between topping bamboo poles. Second, Cariñosa, a courtship dance featuring fans and handkerchiefs. Sayaw sa bangko, performers dance on top of a narrow bench. Filipino values. First, respecting for elders by saying po and opo. Second, bayanihan is a community spirit of helping one another. Third, being family-oriented. Fourth, practicing your religion. And the last, hospitality. What is culture? Culture is the way of life of a group of people. How about cultural identity? Cultural identity is an important part of who we are. It helps us feel connected to other people. Examples of festival: Panagbenga Festival and Pahiyas Festival. Example of traditional dances here in the Philippines: Tinikling and Sayaw sa Bangko. Very good. So, how about the two clothes that show Filipino identity and tradition? Very good. The Barong Tagalog for men and Barot Saya for women. How about Filipino foods? Very good. Pansit, halo-halo, lechon. Filipino values. Very good. Hospitality, bayanihan, and respecting for elders by saying po and opo. So, good job, kids! For the activity,
I just had to let you know you're